Welcome to my YouTube channel Auto Vehicle Info, and on today's video, we're taking a detailed look at the 2025 Airbus A321XLR, the game-changing narrow-body aircraft that's transforming long-haul travel. If you're interested in next-gen aviation technology, commercial flight innovation, or just want to know why airlines are so excited about this plane, then stay tuned as we explore everything you need to know about the A321XLR. The Airbus A321XLR stands for Extra Long Range, and it's the latest and most capable variant of the A321neo family, designed to bridge the gap between single-aisle efficiency and wide-body range. The A321XLR is redefining how airlines approach long-haul routes. Traditionally, flights over 6,000 kilometers were the exclusive domain of larger, twin-aisle aircraft, but now, with the A321XLR, airlines can fly transatlantic, transcontinental, and even some intercontinental routes using a more fuel-efficient, lower-cost narrow-body aircraft. The story of the A321XLR began with Airbus listening carefully to its customers. Airlines were asking for an aircraft that could offer the economics of a narrow-body but with the reach of a wide-body. That's where the A321XLR comes in. Building on the success of the A321neo and A321LR, the XLR adds significant range, redesigned fuel systems, and structural enhancements, all without compromising the passenger experience. So, what makes the 2025 A321XLR so special? Let's start with its range. The aircraft can fly up to 4,700 nautical miles or approximately 8,700 kilometers. That's nearly 15% more range than the previous A321LR model. This means the A321XLR can comfortably connect city pairs like New York to Rome, London to Delhi, Singapore to Sydney, or Dubai to Tokyo all non-stop. It opens up dozens of new long, thin routes that were previously unprofitable or unreachable with older aircraft. How is that extended range achieved? Airbus made key design changes to optimize the A321XLR for longer missions. The most important upgrade is the addition of a new rear center tank, or RCT. This high-capacity fuel tank is integrated into the fuselage and allows the XLR to carry more fuel without needing multiple auxiliary tanks in the cargo hold. The result is more cargo space, improved maintenance access, and better weight distribution. In addition to the new fuel system, the A321XLR features structural reinforcements in the landing gear and wing structure. This allows it to handle the increased maximum takeoff weight of 101 tons. Despite this increase, the aircraft retains its efficient aerodynamics, thanks to features like sharklets on the wings and optimized engine nacelles. The aircraft is powered by either the CFM International LEAP 1A engines or the Pratt & Whitney PW1100 GJM geared turbofan engines. Both options deliver excellent fuel burn efficiency, lower emissions, and reduced noise levels compared to previous generation narrow-body aircraft. The A321XLR offers a 30% reduction in fuel consumption per seat. That makes it one of the most environmentally efficient aircraft in its class, helping airlines meet sustainability goals without sacrificing performance. Inside the cabin, the A321XLR is designed to provide a wide-body experience in a single-aisle format. Airbus offers the airspace cabin on this aircraft, which includes larger overhead bins, improved LED lighting, and advanced air filtration systems. The interior is customizable, allowing airlines to configure the cabin for business, premium economy, and economy layouts. Depending on the seating arrangement, the aircraft can carry between 180 and 244 passengers. One of the most praised aspects of the A321XLR is passenger comfort. Thanks to the airspace cabin, passengers enjoy more personal space, quieter cabins, and modern in-flight entertainment options. For long-haul routes, airlines often opt for lie-flat business-class seats, extra legroom in premium sections, and high-speed onboard Wi-Fi. The aircraft's 18-inch wide seats in economy are among the widest in the narrow-body category, making long journeys more comfortable for all travelers. From an operational standpoint, The A321XLR is a dream for airlines. It offers the flexibility to operate both short-haul and long-haul missions from smaller airports with shorter runways. This means airlines can tap into secondary cities and underserved markets without needing wide-body infrastructure. For example, a carrier could fly from a regional airport in Europe directly to a major city in North America, bypassing traditional hubs and offering point-to-point convenience for passengers. The A321XLR is also expected to play a key role in replacing aging wide-body aircraft on lower-demand routes. Models like the Boeing 757, which have been retired or are nearing retirement, leave a gap that the A321XLR fills perfectly. It provides similar range and capacity but with modern avionics, lower emissions, and better economics. By 2025, the aircraft has already entered service with several launch customers including American Airlines, United, Indigo, Wizz Air, and Air Arabia. These airlines see the A321XLR as a strategic asset for expanding route networks while minimizing cost. American Airlines, for example, plans to use it on transatlantic routes from the east coast of the U.S. to Europe. Meanwhile, low-cost carriers in Europe and Asia are looking to use the XLR for high-density, long-range missions where wide bodies wouldn't be viable. From a pilot's perspective, the A321XLR is part of the Airbus A320 family, which means it shares a common type rating. This allows airlines to train pilots more efficiently and operate a mixed fleet with high flexibility. The fly-by-wire system, intuitive cockpit layout, and side-stick control make it one of the most pilot-friendly aircraft in the sky. It also includes advanced weather radar, automated flight systems, and predictive maintenance tools that reduce unplanned downtime. Safety, as always, is a top priority. The A321XLR builds on decades of Airbus innovation in flight control systems, structural integrity, and redundancy. It complies with the latest certification standards including ETOPS approval, which allows it to fly long distances over water or remote areas. Airbus has also worked closely with regulators and airline partners to ensure the aircraft meets real-world operational needs under all conditions. One of the major global impacts of the A321XLR is the transformation of airline network strategies. As airlines look to rebuild after the challenges of the early 2020s, aircraft like the A321XLR give them the ability to grow in a more agile and sustainable way. Smaller hubs are becoming more important, and the traditional hub-and-spoke model is evolving into a more decentralized web of direct connections. In terms of environmental impact, the A321XLR is also helping the aviation industry move toward greener skies. The aircraft is certified to run on up to 50% sustainable aviation fuel, with Airbus targeting 100% SAF capability in the future. Combined with its fuel-efficient engines and aerodynamic design, the XLR produces fewer co-emissions per passenger than older jets flying similar routes. With more than 500 orders already placed before its entry into service, the A321XLR is shaping up to be a major commercial success. It signals a shift in how we think about long-haul travel, blurring the lines between regional and intercontinental flying. As demand for flexible, efficient, and sustainable air travel continues to rise, aircraft like the XLR are setting the new standard. To sum it up, the 2025 Airbus A321XLR is a breakthrough aircraft that combines the economics of a narrow body with the range and comfort of a wide body. It's helping airlines open new routes, reduce emissions, and improve the passenger experience, all while keeping operational costs in check. Whether you're flying across the country or across continents, there's a good chance the A321XLR will soon be part of your journey. Thank you for watching. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Auto Vehicle Info. We'll be back soon with more deep dives into the latest innovations in aviation, automotive, and beyond. See you in the next video.